3, 2, 1, Little Monkey Learning!
Hi kids, thanks for joining our troop of smart little monkeys who love learning new things. Let's see what we're going to learn about today. Today on Little Monkey Learning, we are making this spider! Yay! It is so much fun! Fun fact, this spider and all other spiders are really actually helpful to you in your house. They catch things in their webs like mosquitoes, flies, and other moths that you don't want in your home. So even though some people are very scared of spiders, they're actually really helpful to you in your house. So come join us to make this cool spider craft and love some spiders. Yay! For this craft, you need 3 pieces of black construction paper, 1, 2, 3, 1 paper plate, 2 googly eyes, 1, 2, a piece of string, some glue, some tape, scissors, a white crayon, and a pen. Now that we have everything, let's get started. First, you take 1 piece of black construction paper and your paper plate, and you're going to trace it with your white crayon. We're using a white crayon on black paper because you can see it on the black paper. So let's trace all the way around. This is going to make the body of our spider black. That's 1, we need to do 2. Take another piece of black construction paper and trace around. Hold your paper plate down and then use your other hand to trace with the crayon. Great, now we have 2 black circles for the body. Let's cut them out. Let's take our scissors to cut it out. Remember, your thumb goes in the little hole and your fingers go in the bigger hole, and you hold it with your thumb at the top. Open and close your hand and move the scissors along. Cut as close to the white line as you can. It's okay if you're not quite right. Close enough would be good. Turn your paper and go all the way around. Keep going, almost there. Great, 1 circle's done. Let's cut the next one. Start and cut in. Go all the way around. If you're not cutting quite close to the line, go a little bit slower. That will help you make sure your scissors are in the right place on the line. There we go. That's better. Great, now we have our 2 circles for the body. Now let's make our 8 legs. You're going to use your last piece of construction paper. We're going to fold it to make our lines for cutting. First, fold it in half this way. Some people call it the hamburger fold, so it looks like a hamburger, not this way, which looks like a hot dog. Okay, so we're gonna fold it like this, match up your corners as best as you can, and pull your hand down and make a line. There, we folded it in half. We have 2 parts to this paper, 1, 2. But that's not enough for legs for a spider. We need 8 legs for the spider. Let's fold it again. Take your paper and bring it up to the other edge and fold. And slowly press down to make a crease. There we go. Let's see how many legs we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. That's not enough. A spider has 8 legs. Let's fold it again. We'll fold it back to how it was, and we're going to do 1 more fold. This one's going to be tricky because the paper is really thick now. So use your fingers and lift it up to the other edge and push it down. There we go. Let's see how many legs we're going to have now. Let's open it up. Wow, so many. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. We have 8 legs. Now we need to cut them apart. Take your scissors again, Put your thumb in the little hole and your fingers in the big hole, and the thumb lifts at the top, open and close. Cut all the way across on the line, all the way to the top, and that will be one leg. Do it again. Cut. Cut all the way to the top. Excellent, that's two legs. And again, all the way up to the top. Three legs. If you're having a hard time cutting, just go a little bit slower. That will help you put your scissors in the right place to stay as close to the folded line as possible. And that's four legs. We have four more to go. Okay, let's keep cutting all the way to the top. Excellent. Sometimes if your scissors get stuck, you have to wiggle them a little bit so they can go through to the right spot on the paper. Awesome, our last cut. Here we go. Great, we have our 8 legs. Now, our legs aren't quite done yet. We're going to fold them. So take one piece of your paper and you're going to fold it to make sort of a square shape here. Do you see? It looks a little bit like a square. This would be too small and this would be too big. Try to make a square with your paper. You're going to fold it up like this. Then you're going to turn it over and fold it again to make another square. And then you're going to turn your paper over and fold it again. Turn your paper over and fold it again. And turn your paper over and fold it again. It's okay if it's not quite perfect there. It's still pretty good. There's one spider leg. Let's do it again on the other legs. Take your paper and you take the end and fold it up to what looks a little bit like a square here. Fold it, then you turn your paper over and fold it up again. Turn your paper over, fold it up again. Turn your paper over, fold it again. And turn your paper over and fold it again. Let's see. Oh, look at that spider leg. Looks great. We have some more to do because the spider has 8 legs. Fold it up this way, turn it over and fold it again. Turn it over and fold it again. Turn it over and fold it again. It's like a pattern. Turn it over and fold it again. There we go, another leg is done. Let's keep going. This is a lot of work, but it's going to make our spider look really good when it has 8 legs that are crinkly and can bounce up and down. Take it and turn it over and fold it up. Turn it over and fold it up. There we go. Let's keep going. Fold it, turn it over and fold it. Turn it over and fold it. Turn it over and fold it. And turn it over and fold it. Great! Fun fact, because spiders have 8 legs, they're not insects. They're called arachnids. And they have 8 legs, whereas insects have 6. Awesome! There's another leg. We're almost done. Keep going. And our last one. Whew, this is a lot of work, but it's gonna look really good. Turn it over and fold it up, and turn it over and fold it up. Amazing! We have 8 legs and 2 circles for the body. We're ready to put it together now. Let's put our spider together. Take your paper plate and one of your black circles. Put it on the side that's smaller. We're gonna do that first. So we're gonna squeeze out some glue on the outside here. leave a spot in the middle. We're actually going to punch a hole through there for our string. So put your black piece of paper on, and there's the black body of the spider right here. You might need an adult to help you with this, but we're going to punch a hole in the middle of the paper plate so that we can put our string through. Take a pen and push it through. Oh, there's our hole. Perfect. Now you're going to take your string and put it into the hole. We're going to thread both ends in. So push it through and pull it out, and take the other end and push it through also. There we go. On the other side, you're going to take these two and make a knot. Let's tie it like this. 1, 2. We're going to make 2 knots to make sure that it doesn't fall through the hole. Also, a good idea is to take your tape and tape it down. Tape it down right there. And perfect. Now we have a string for our body. Now we're ready to glue our 8 legs on. We're going to put 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's glue them down. Take your glue and put some on the edge of your plate and stick on your first leg. Sometimes you have to hold it down for a little bit to make sure it really sticks. Let's hold it down and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! Let's do the next leg. Put some glue on your plate, just on the edge, and take your leg and stick it down. Count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. The next leg on this side, we'll make 3 legs on this side. Let's stick it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, 1 more leg on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, this side is done. Let's do this side now. Same thing, put the glue on the edge, put your leg on, and hold it down for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. We're almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one. Put the glue and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! All of our legs are stuck on now. Our last step for the body is to glue this part of the circle on. Take your glue, and this time you're going to go all the way around your spider's body. Like this. Make a big circle of glue. Perfect. And stick the cover on its body. Oops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see some of the glue is squishing out here. That's okay. You can see it now, but when it dries, it will be clear and you won't see it anymore. Awesome. Our spider is almost done. Our last step is to stick on the googly eyes. Now we're going to stick on the googly eyes. We have 2 googly eyes. 1, 2. I'm going to put my eyes right here. 1, 2. 2 daubs of glue, and now we can stick them on. 1, 2. All right, our spider is done. Here he goes. And there, our spider is done. It looks great. You can hold it by the string and wiggle it around. You can hang it on something like a door handle or a hook. And you can sing songs with it. The incy wincy spider went up the water spout. Awesome, enjoy playing with your spider. See you next time on Little Monkey Learning. I wonder what we're gonna make next. Remember to subscribe so you can watch more of our videos and continue being a smart little monkey. Click on the happy monkey face to subscribe and click below for the next educational video. On to the next one. See you there.